Hello, my name is Carol Hodson, Managing Director of ALCA Fasteners. ALCA Fasteners have been at the forefront of the European and global industry for over 30 years. We have supplied the Scandinavian oil industry since the 1970s, leading the way with service, reliability on fully certified products. The quality and certification criteria of the oil industry has set high standards of traceability systems and support networks which have assisted in the continual growth, expansion and vision of ALCA. The demanding and cost-conscious market of the current times allow ALCA to service many more markets with vast stocks of threaded and unthreaded fasteners, combining all types of head formations and material grades. Supplementing our enormous certified stock is an adaptable machine shop with capacity to screw up to 100mm diameter. ALCA have been ISO approved since 1982 and always continue to implement new quality and testing procedures required by individual customer requirements. We continually strive to offer the best possible service, quality and reliability on a competitive price level. Since our founding in 1977, ALCA have progressed and grown with the ever-changing market requirements and will continue to strive to be a reliable, honest and efficient bolt supplier to whatever the industry requires.
Hello, my name's Dave Smith, Warehouse Manager, ALCA Fasteners Limited. All our materials are thoroughly checked using our extensive in-house inspection and testing facilities. All our employees take great pride in every aspect of every stage of every order. We keep an extensive material and size range in stock which is always available for prompt and immediate delivery or collection.